Hi guys, some things don't change.
Call it spring, like everything is new.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Farheen. In case you guys forgot, I used to make videos on skincare and beauty, and I haven't been active on YouTube for a long time, but I just wanted to sit and discuss a couple of makeup products that I've recently bought. They are all from Sugar. Actually, there's just 3 products in this video. 2 of them are from Sugar and one of them is from Ilana, but just needed an excuse to make a video and sit and talk to you guys. So let's start and jump right into it. But before we discuss makeup, let me just discuss these neon nails that I've got, which I never thought I would do. I never imagined I would paint my nails neon, but I've done it and I somehow dig it. Like, it's going really well with the black outfit and all. So yeah, let me know what your thoughts are on this. And I also got a pearl necklace, which has been on my list for so long, but I just never found a good website to shop from. But then I came across this IG shop and I bought it from there. I'm going to link it down below because I don't remember the name of the shop, but I'm going to link it so you can buy it as well. And now let's get on with the actual video, which is makeup. Very first product that I'm going to be discussing is this Sugar Air Kiss powder lipstick. Now they're claiming it to be India's first powder lipstick, and the shade that I have is called 01 Mocha Mousse. I'm pretty sure this ranges between 450 to 500. I do not remember the exact pricing, but it's definitely under 500 if I'm not wrong. And also I'm going to quickly show you guys the lipstick if I can somehow find it. Yeah, it's sitting on my lap. Sorry. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's in a frosted glass packaging. Now you guys know that I like anything in frosted glass packaging. You could sell me animal feces in frosted glass packaging and I would still think, oh wow, that's nice, because I'm such a sucker for frosted glass because it looks so bougie and so classy. Now, of course, they've got the branding on the packaging. It's in Mocha Mousse, and I'm going to show you guys a clip of what's on the inside. It's actually powder. Now, the formulation is something that I'm so kind of amazed by, because it's actually powder, like it's literally powder inside the packaging, but somehow when you apply it on your lips or on your skin, it turns into a watery formulation, and that's how you kind of, get like a lipstick swipe on your lips. It's a very unique formulation. I haven't seen anything like this before, or rather I haven't tried anything like this before, and I was so excited to have this. I wanted to buy it in other shades as well because I wanted to. I think they've launched in like 4 or 5 shades. So there's this one brown, there's one mauve color, there are pinks and reds, and I wanted to get other shades as well because I wanted to swatch all the shades for you guys. But unfortunately the product is a dud for me. You will see the clip. Let me just show you guys the clip and then I'll explain the product. So I've tried the lipstick on, and even on camera I feel like you can still see how patchy it is, especially on the inside of my mouth. You can already see like bits of it coming off, and I've tried to reapply, but it's just not working out. It's not a buildable formula in my opinion because it looks so chalky even if I try to like build it up. So for me, the formulation is a big miss. I feel like they really have a lot of work to do in this area, and I'm going to quickly take this off and put on another lipstick. So the product is basically a dud, like you guys saw. It was sitting so weirdly on my lips, like it would come off so easily. It was transfer proof. Like when I applied it and I kissed my hand, it did not transfer a lot, so it was transfer proof, but it was not smudge proof, and it would just not sit well on my lips. Like it would keep coming off, and this was not the first time I'm trying it as well. I got it 2 days ago. I gave it a good try, like I gave it a good trial run. This was the 3rd time that I was trying it out, and all 3 times I had the same issue with the patchiness. Like it looks really patchy on the lips. So for me, I'm personally so disappointed because I really wanted this to work. I was so blown over by the formulation. Even when I was seeing online of the powder turning to like a lipstick, like this watery formula, I was like, oh wow, magic. Even though it's just chemistry probably, but such a bummer because it was really a cool formula. So I will not be purchasing any more shades in this range, and I would advise you guys not to try it out as well because it clearly is not Sugar's best product. They've done amazing work with the other lipsticks, but this one doesn't make the cut for me. So the product is basically a dud, like you guys saw. It was sitting so weirdly on my lips, like it would come off so easily. It was transfer proof, like when I applied it and I kissed my hand, it did not transfer a lot, so it was transfer proof, but it was not smudge proof, and it would just, you know, not sit well on my lips, like it would keep coming off. And this was not the first time I'm trying it as well. I got it 2 days ago. I gave it a good try, like I gave it a good trial run. This was the third time that I was trying it out, and all 3 times I had the same issue with the patchiness, like it looks really patchy on the lips. So for me, I'm personally so disappointed because I really wanted this to work. I was so blown over by the formulation. Even when I was seeing online of, you know, the powder turning to like a lipstick, like this watery formula, I was like, oh wow, magic. Even though it's just chemistry probably, but such a bummer because it was really a cool formula. So I will not be purchasing any more shades in the range, and I would advise you guys not to try it out as well because it clearly is not Sugar's best product. They've done amazing work with the other lipsticks, but this one doesn't make the cut for me. Next up, we have another Sugar product. This one is an eye product, so hopefully this will be a good one. It's called the Too Good To Be True Dual Eyeshadow, and the 2 is actually TWO2, as in 2, because they have 2 eyeshadows in this. I just like it. I like stuff like this. A dual eyeshadow, and this one also retails for I think $4.99 to $500, and I got it in the shade number 1 Champaign and Caviar. I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. This is the classic Sugar packaging, and once you open it, this is what the product looks like. So you have 2 eyeshadows. There is one matte and there's one shimmery shade on the other end. Now I got it from the Nykaa website, and I have to say the pictures are pretty misleading because this looked completely different on the Nykaa website. Like it looked like a maroon, and this one looked like more of like a rose gold. I mean, this is kind of rose gold, but not as deep as it is in the bottle. And this one was like a pure maroon, but it's actually like a pink. So you open it like this, you twist it and you open it, and you get the brush. It's like a normal standard doe foot applicator. The shimmery side of the eyeshadow is shaped like a liner tip, like an eyeliner tip, so you can like maybe like, you know, do eyeliners with it. Now I personally like, first of all, I like the idea, I like the thought behind this product. I like that you can get 2 eyeshadows at the cost of 1, and that too, they are kind of like, you know, giving you a good combo, so you can like just use the entire set for an eye makeup. And the formulation is pretty opaque. Like I have swatched it on my eyes as well, and I'm going to swatch it on my hands. It just got a little messy. So this is what it looks like. It's like this pure mauvey pink, and once you blend it out, this is what it looks like. So the thing with the matte eyeshadow is that it's opaque, which I love, and it also sets really quickly, so you have to really work fast. Like you have to apply it and then you have to immediately blend it. You don't even need a brush to blend it. You could just, you know, put like a dot and then blend it with your ring finger, and I think that would still look really amazing. So, and also I'm going to of course swatch the shimmery side for you guys. What the shimmery side looks like. Can you guys see? I didn't use up a lot, but there's like a light sheen, if you could see. It's like, see the sheen, guys. So I like this product a lot. You could use either one to create a look, or you could use both of them. Let me know if you guys want me to do like a makeup look using this. Leave it in the comment section and I'll do it in my next video. But yeah, I like the product. There are other shades in this as well. There's like nude tones in it. There's like a purple combination, which I'm eyeing to buy next. But this one also I really like, and I feel like this is a good value of money. It's pigmented, stays on for a long time, doesn't smudge or budge, and I put it on with actually no primer whatsoever. Even without primer, the color comes out really nice. It's opaque as well, like I mentioned before. So I think this is a good value for money, and if you're looking for, you know, a good deal, like obviously you're getting two at the price of one, so really it is too good to be true, and I would definitely recommend you guys try it out. Honestly, the star of the show, it's the reason why I wanted to make this video. It's the Ilana Celestial Pop Cream Highlighter plus Luminizer, and it's such a tiny packaging. This is just for 10 ml and it retails for 720 rupees, so it is a little bit on the expensive side, but so worth your money, you guys. This is what you get. Such a tiny tube, but it's kind of like chota packet bada dhamaka, because the highlighter is in the shade Moon Pop, and it's like this golden sheen. It's not very blinding, like it's not chunky. It blends in really smoothly onto your skin, especially if you're wearing it over makeup. It does not take off your makeup, does not there are some highlighters that don't sit well on top of makeup. Not this one. This one sits really well, and it has kind of like a light sheen, and you just need a little bit to get like a really good effect. Like subtle but still packs a punch. I think that's how I would describe this highlight. I've swatched it on my hand already. I think because of the lighting, you're not able to really see what it looks like. Like this is the highlighter. It's got this really nice golden sheen, but I will include a clip of this in the sunlight as well, so you guys can actually see the highlighter work in its full glory. I feel like this will work. I mean, of course it will work across skin tones, but especially for people with deeper skin tones, I feel like you guys are gonna rock this so hard, and I can't wait for you guys to try it out in case you haven't tried it out already. The shade is Moon Pop. Once again, I just dropped it so I had to pick it up. The shade is Moon Pop, and I know that it's a small tube, but you just need like one tiny dot to cover like your whole face, so I think this will last you for a good amount of time as well. And with that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini review of the new products that I got. I just shared my initial thoughts with you guys. If you like watching these kind of videos, let me know in the comments. I'll make more of these. If you want me to do a look with the dual eyeshadow from Sugar, I could do that as well, or whatever suggestions you guys have, leave it in the comments. Once again, thank you so much for supporting me and watching my videos. Even if I get like 20 views, which I know is really less. Please, I hope this video has more than 20 views. But even if I get like 20 views, I'm still thankful to the fact that 20 people decided to watch my videos. Thank you so much for watching it. COVID is still not over, so I hope you guys are taking care of yourself, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care, and I love you all. Bye.